Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to withdraw your money from a Moonshot app. So guys, let's get started. First guys, open your app on the mobile, and after that guys, what you have to do, go to from this option guys, and after that what you have to do, go to withdraw option. After that guys, enter your amount you want to withdraw, like $2 or $10, and after that guys, what you have to do, choose your any method you want to withdraw money. If you have credit card or bank transfer or PayPal or crypto, if you have PayPal guys, write your PayPal and write your email, your PayPal, and after that complete your withdraw steps. This is the app guys, and if you want to withdraw, as I say, just click this holding option, and after that guys, enter your amount you want to withdraw. So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this video for more content.